So, Dave here again from OB1. Dave does OB1. Today I'm going to be testing out the OB41 zinc galvanising spray. Now, for the truck, obviously, which you all have seen videos of me doing all sorts of things in other videos, I've made myself a bar to put 4 lights on, so it looks a bit more like the 4-guy truck. Now, obviously, I'm not much of a welder, so I have done a fair bit of filling and grinding, and I've drilled some holes in there. I actually did use the drill cutting fluid, which I'll use in another video, but the drill fluid is amazing. It's one of my favourite top products from OB1. So I've been shaking this now for a couple of minutes to get it exactly as it needs to be. But what I want to do is show you how well this stuff actually goes on. This is one of my 5-star products from the world of OB1, and again, I hadn't spent massive amount of time doing a particularly amazing job on getting rid of all the imperfections, because it is going to be a tricky thing to actually see up where it is. But I'm keen on using the galvanising spray, obviously to make a better job, rather than me not using any undercoat. And as you can see, one coat of that, I've got a few little runs on there, but I have to say this stuff is really good, and it will actually dry out even though I've put a little bit too much on it. So I'm going to continue finishing this, and then we'll send you a video. There you go, how nice it goes on. It's got plenty that comes out the can. It's a nice and luscious sort of amount that we spray on there. It's quite difficult to video and spray, but you know, there we go, we'll have a go. So that's 3 sides done. But yeah, looking at the coverage, pretty well much. I'll get it done in one, but I will give it another light, gentle dusting coat over a little bit later on. So there we go. There is your finished after 1 coat. I have to say, probably I can leave that with a 1 coat of galvanising spray. I'm also going to spray some inside and where I've put the screw holes, although once I've got the lights on there and it's all done and cleaned up, I will be using a little bit of the black OB1 silicone just to go around that, so we don't get any water ingression in through those holes to rust this out from the inside. There we go.